Hi everyone. Now I'm going to explain about the Telegram chatbot I created and connected to the FireStore database. For that, first we have to create a folder. So I'm opening terminal. I have already created the folder name using mkdir command. So now I'm just opening it. Now the folder is empty. So we have to install the JSON packages using the command npm init space -y. So it installs the packages of JSON and you have to install another packages. For that command, I will tell you. So I have typed the command for installing the packages of Firebase. So let's run it. Okay, it has been done. Now we have to install security key for that. So you have to connect to the Firebase. I'm opening the Firebase FireStore database. You have to go to console, create a new Firestore, enter your project name. I'm entering SP chatbot. Click continue. Again continue. Now I have created the project in a Firebase FireStore database. So this is the project name ChatBot, and we have to connect to the database. So first click build, and then FireStore database. Now we have to click create database. It is in standard edition, so we have to next database idea. Next, have to click next. We have to create this in a start mode, test mode. So this will take some time. Yeah, the first database has been created for this project. So now this is empty. We have to click on the settings, project settings, and you have to go service accounts. Click service accounts. Generate new private key. Here it is in node.js, so we have to click on the generate new private key. Click on generate key. The file will be downloaded. Now the file has been downloaded and I have kept in my folder. As you can see this, I have renamed it to service account key.json and I have kept in my folder. We have created a generate. Next, we have to create an index file uh, in .js for that service account key. So we have to open a VS Code for that. So this is the index .js file for the Telegram bot which I have created, as you can see here. And now we have to open the terminal. Now we have to check the command node index.js and run it. So my bot is already running, which I have completed. So now I'll explain the index code line by line. So now let's take a look on the index.js full code. This is the index code. Now I'm going to explain it line by line. So here you can see that uh, constant telegram bot is one. We have written the first line, which makes which brings the telegram bot library, so we can talk with the telegram. Next, in the second line, we have const axios is equal to require axios. This line is used for making HTTP requests, such as fetching a joke from the API. And next, third line. Coming to third line, we have constant admin is equal to require Firebase admin. This is to fetch the data from Firebase. Next, coming to the Firebase part. Here in the Firebase, we have first service account is equal to require service account key.json. This line initializes the Firebase credentials. It helps to log in Firebase credentials. Next, we have code dot admin dot initialize app. That code is for the initializing the Firebase using the service account key dot JSON that package. Next, this constant DB is also this is for the this line is used to write. We are connecting a Firebase so that we can read or write data. So that line is helpful for the reading or writing the data. Now, moving on to the next lesson, Telegram section. Here we have to paste the Telegram bot token which I have created using the Joke API. The API uses Joke API, which is free. And this line is used to paste the bot token, and next line it initializes the bot. It starts the bot using this work. Next, start command. By using this code, we can provide a command which is start to the Telegram bot so that the bot gives the available commands in it in the bot. Now let's move on to the start section. As you can see, bot on test. See, now the code written in the 23rd line is db.collection, which uh, is to create database for your Telegram bot ID. The Telegram bot we are creating will have ID, so that data will be stored in the database. So this line of code is used for that. Next, we have a function called await user reference. This is used to store the data, user data. When the user uses the Telegram bot, the data will be stored in using this function. And here, the increment one value means it increases when the count will be increased when you start using the bot multiple times. Next, we have another function called send message. It sends a command or slash joke command which is present in the bot. Coming to the joke command. If we send the joke command to the bot, it randomly generates a joke and sends to us. Okay. Let's see various functions in the joke command. Coming to the joke command, first we have constant chat ID and user ID. These are used to get uh, ID and user ID and the constant ID from the user. Next we have try block, in which the API's link which we have used, the API which we have used, the link is present here. It is joke API. Here, the await DB collection, the function is used for the storing the data, how many times the user uses the bot. Next, bot.send message. This function is used to, um, means by using this function, the bot sends a random joke to the user. So this is the end of the code. Let's see the running of the bot. So let's go to the Telegram bot, which I have created. So as you can see, I have named this stupid bot. So let's type here and start. Yeah, it has given me the command. type job. So I'm typing a job and command. It will generate a new job to me. What did the dog say to the two trees? Bark. So in this way, you can create a Telegram chatbot using a API and connecting to the FireStore database. You can see this in